Good morning, friends. Today is our third day in Kochi, and we are now on our way to Munnar. We left our hotel at 9:30. It's still early out here, and the shops are just starting to open up. Outside there is a little morning traffic, but the thing is, we hardly hear any honking. The drive to Munnar should take about 4 hours, but Joseph, our driver, says it will take more likely about 7 hours, as we will be stopping first at a local museum and then later at a spice farm, and we will also be stopping for lunch somewhere.
എവിടെയെങ്കിലും എടുക്കൊന്ന് ഞാനിതാ വൃത്തിലാ കിടക്കുന്നത്. I giving shoes inside cabinet.
Shoes there, okay. So we have arrived at the Kerala Folklore Museum, still in Kochi. We have to take our sandals off. Oh, wow.
So, Namaste. I'll give
Namaste.
a short introduction.
Yeah.
So, basically, it's an architectural museum. 3 floors. 3 different architectural style of Kerala, Malabar, Kochi and Travancore. And it's all collected by one person. His name, Mr. George J. Khalil. His 40 years of collection.
Wow.
40,000 artifacts we exhibited here.
Hello.
Hi.
Namaste.
And the ceiling, 63 ton weighting capacity without pillars.
Say again, the ceiling?
63 ton weighting capacity without pillar.
Wow. We are now on the 3rd floor of the museum. We found it very interesting. On each floor they have these lovely ladies who explain things to you, and if you are in the area, then this place would be worth a visit. And so we leave Kochi behind us, and we are now on our way to Munnar. Oh, fish market. After passing the midway point of our journey, there are less cars on the road, and the scenery is changed from shops and buildings to green forests. Up ahead there's supposed to be a huge waterfall, but since we are not in the monsoon season, probably it's going to be dry.
See?
Yeah, no water. Spice and herbal garden. Cloves.
Hi.
Hello, hello.
Good morning.
Morning.
Nice to meet you. Coming from, sir?
From Israel.
Israel. So, English,
English, yeah.
English is fine.
Hebrew is better.
Hebrew.
No.
I don't speak Hebrew.
English is good.
But my friends are working there in Israel.
Ah, really?
One of my best friends, she is working over there.
She's happy?
She is very happy.
Good. If she's happy and we are happy.
And actually, this is spices and Ayurvedic garden, ma'am. Spices. Okay.
Spices.
The hail, fill, like these things. Okay.
Ah, okay.
This tour will take just 20-25 minutes. After finishing this, we have got a spice shop there inside. If you would like to take any spices or any kind of herbal products, means you can take. Okay.
Okay.
So we can start from the hail. Cardamom.
Hail.
Yes. Hail. Clove.
Cloves.
Bismarck.
Ziporin.
Zipponi. Okay. So actually this is the Zipponi tree. Actually in this tree the flower buds will come like this. The flower buds.
Yeah. Black pepper.
Yeah.
And white pepper is what? And
also
white
from
pepper.
the same plant
Same
only.
plant.
Yeah. So white pepper, just its processing is different. Okay. Now you can say this is coffee.
Coffee.
Coffee. You drink coffee, right?
Yeah.
So Ayurveda is a traditional medicine system, okay, in India, okay. And this plant in Ayurveda, we are using this plant to make medicine for arthritis problem.
Arthritis.
Person just a 3-month course of fits will be sufficient to clear the diabetes problem. Up to 4 to 5 years, that person will be free from diabetes by taking Nipah tree. This one we are using here to make medicine for skin problems. The white tex plant we are using here to make medicine for varicose vein problem. Varicose problem.
Very close.
Here the veins have become bluish color for that kind of problem.
Okay.
Noni fruit, noni tree.
Yeah.
So the noni fruit is very good for weight loss.
What's
Body weight reducing purpose.
Lori Mishkal. Okay.
That's rubber.
Like that.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Now the starting stage. Otherwise, this will come like this. See, this is rubber.
Yeah.
Long pepper. The long pepper is good for respiratory problem related issues. This
Nutmeg.
fruit will open by itself once the fruits have become ready. From that, this nutmeg will fall down. This is
Basmati.
Arjuna trees. This is an important tree. Once it's become a big tree, we do cut the bark of this tree and making medicine for heart related issues. For madam, hibiscus white color or hibiscus flower we are using here to make medicine for hair. This one is known as Ayyapana plant. This Ayyapana plant is good for piles related issues, hemorrhoids, piles. And so there you can see a flower that's known as torch ginger flower. The red color of flower you can see there. Torch ginger.
Yeah. It's a beautiful flower.
The torch ginger flower we are using here to make medicine for face. To clear the pimples, pigmentation, dark circles, wrinkles, chicken pox, marks, and dry circle for everything. That's very good actually. Tobacco plant we are using here to make medicine for fatty liver.
Fatty liver.
Fatty liver.
Oh.
And liver cirrhosis kind of. Eyesight, concentration, anxiety problem, depression, insomnia, for everything. All sort of neurological problem we can go for this Brahmi. Okay.
Good for the brain.
Good for the brain functions. Makota is not belongs to India. It's an Indonesian plant. This one we are using here to make medicine for gout problem, gout related issue. So here you can see a type of banana plant. This banana is not for eating. So once if you're planting a small plant like this, means it will take another 5 years to get a banana fruit from this. Once in 5 years we'll be getting one banana fruit. And these fruits are not for eating. Once the bananas have become ready, each and every single banana fruits will open by itself. From that its seeds will come out. The seeds of that fruit we are collecting and making medicine for kidney stone problem. And also this is one of the best remedy for prostate.
Prostate. Yeah.
All the hair problem, like to stop hair falling, to remove dandruff, scalp psoriasis kind of problem, alopecia, also to get long beautiful hair, people can go for all this. Neelambari and Jadayu Lakshmi plant, aloe vera and British button flower, all together mixing and making medicine for hair. That's a turmeric. Turmeric.
Turmeric.
Curcum.
Curcum.
And this is
Jackfruit.
It will be tensed into yellow color once it's become ready. We need to break that fruit. Inside some more seeds are there. The seeds first we need to keep it in fermentation purposes. After that we need to keep it in sunshine to make dry. After drying, roasting and making powder. That's a cacao powder to make chocolates.
Wow. Very interesting.
This wild muesli tray. This is only for men power.
Men power.
For sexual power.
Viagra.
Viagra. To clear the tiredness, weakness, to get good energy, stamina, immunity, for everything, we can go for this ashwagandha. Only the root of this plant can be used. The root of this plant we are using here to make medicine for energy purposes. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Come.
Your English is very good.
Ah, come.
Now we enter the shop. This is like a pharmacy.
Yeah, this is not like a pharmacy. It's a shop.
The man at the spice farm was very knowledgeable, and he knew his stuff on the benefits of the many herbs and spices that we were shown. We left the farm behind, but not before buying a whole lot of spices to take back home, including, I may add, for some reason, a huge bottle of hair oil. Our driver, Mr. Joseph, says that we'll soon be stopping if we'd like to make a booking for a jeep safari tomorrow. So this is what we are going to do tomorrow.
Tomorrow evening 2 p.m. you just come, sir.
Okay. Tomorrow
After the lunch.
This is elephant watching.
Yeah, elephant watching, tea estate, hanging bridge. If you want to walk, you can. This Tiger Cave. This is an experience. River crossing, two waterfalls.
We had asked Mr. Joseph to stop the car so that we can get a better view of the area around us. The plantations as far as the eye can see, and our hotel, the fragrant nature, is just around the corner. Hello.
Welcome to Fragrant Nature, sir.
Thank you.
Please come.
Thank you. Namaste. Thank you. This is the view on our way to our room. Hello. And here is what the room looks like. Here we have a heater in case it gets cold. And the best part is the view from the balcony. So we've left our room and we are walking down these steps to the pool instead of using the elevator. Pool this way. This really is a very beautiful hotel with the views and all that, and the surrounding gardens are so well taken care of. Full time, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. just joined a group organized by the hotel for a walk around the tea plantations that surround the hotel.
Division. Then you have to see the powerhouse division, and you have to see the expected height. First year 35, second year 38.
This guided tour of the tea plantation is very educational, and we learned a lot about the growth of tea.
You are saying this land now belongs to a private company.
Tata.
Tata.
Land
belongs to Tata. But all these are the employees of Tata.
Yes.
כן, אושרה.
זה התה הלבן,
איזה?
זה, הדק,
זה?
כן,
הלבן.
הלבן. זה הירוק,
הירוק.
וזה השחור.
השחור.
וכשהן קוטפות, הן מפרידות ביניהן. איזה נוף, איזה שקט, שלווה.